Hi, my name is Andy Boersma. I'm a production manager here at Bow River Feeders. I've been with this company for about 20 years. This is actually just a division of TFS Expands. We currently have 4 feedlots. Capacity between the 4 feedlots would be about 35,000 head. Right now it's summer. We're dealing with hot, dry conditions, making it very trying for us guys in the industry. So right now we're using the silencer chute in combination with an Avery scale head, which of course syncs to our animal management application provided through ITS. The Te Pari gun actually syncs, I should say flawlessly, to the ITS software, allowing our guys when they're processing to literally just touch and go. We pick up these guns, you touch the trigger, we get a real smooth application. We're inducting animals year-round, whether it be the summer or whether it be the winter. Right now in the summer, we're using some lower potency drugs, Oxy LA 200, which is quite a viscous material. It works really good with the Te Pari gun. When we were considering buying the Te Pari Dosing Gun, one of our major concerns was how they were going to hold up in our Canadian winters. In the middle of winter here, when you're using viscous products, it can be very trying on our hands to continuously squeeze these syringes. The Te Pari gun allows us to just very easily get that product out there. Everybody knows it can get cold out here, right? We thought that the battery life would maybe last 15-20 minutes in the bitter cold, which proved to be wrong. These guns operate for hours on end. We can easily get through all the animals that we need to in a day, and the simple charging stations allow us to charge the batteries overnight. So one of the biggest things I like about the Te Pari gun is simply the ease of use. We found that this system just works flawlessly. The easy instructions, everything comes up to the screen for the guys. It's nice and easy to use. The way that these Te Pari guns make our operation more profitable is it allows us to keep a lot better track of our inventories. One of our major concerns is overdosing and underdosing of cattle. Of course, underdosing the cattle can lead to sickness in the pens, which means a lot more cattle coming up to the squeeze for treatment, which leads to more cost. By dosing these animals accurately, we should see less animals coming up to the barn. With less animals coming back to the barn for treatment, there's less cost going out to the owners of these cattle as well, which is a direct benefit of having these Te Pari guns. My favorite part of the Te Pari gun is the simplest part, the trigger. Grab that gun, in the middle of winter, doesn't matter, just a touch of the button, smooth application onto the animal. It's nice and easy. I guess one thing I'd like to say to anybody in the industry is don't be afraid to buy one of these Te Pari dosing guns. They work great, they really do. Using this thing on the squeeze, ensuring precision dosages to these animals is just something that we strive for here at Bow River Feeders.